Hello, fellow teachers. How are you now? How are you today? This is Maestro Frias, and I want to share something with you. I want to share a one tool na makakatulong sa atin sa ating pagtuturo because one of the main tasks or main goal ng isang teacher is to create or to design a lesson plan. And I don't know if you are familiar with this tool. A it's an AI tool, pero I think uh, this is beneficial for us teachers na parating gumagawa or nagde-design or nagke-create ng lesson plan. Okay, so minsan kasi pag gusto nating magkaroon or gumawa ng lesson plan, uh, medyo tasky siya, no? Pag mag-iisip ka ng mga instructional strategies on how you are going to teach this lesson or particular topic. Okay, so I will share a tool with you, which is the AppSim AI. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to type yung app.symph or sim.ai/298 sa ating Google. Okay, so lalabas po yung ganito, lesson planner for ACE. So actually dapat meron kayong login details. So just connect your uh, Gmail account. Then ayan, pag nakapag-sign in na kayo, this is for free actually. This is for free. Say for example, since I am teaching uh, Philippine Politics and Governance for grade 12 for Hume student. So I will be using the code. Okay, say for example, gamitin ko yung uh, Hume's PG at 12 to A B and 4. Tapos yung objective ng MELS na to, that is to explain, yun, bigla nakakaps lang, explain how or explain the roles and functions of local government unit. Then select translation, of course English, kasi English yung medium of instruction namin sa uh, Philippine Politics and Governance. Then hit submit. So let's just wait. Ayan po, look at that. So nagde-generate po yung AI tool na to para mahagawa or mahadesign po siya ng lesson plan uh, na kung saan naka-align siya sa 4A's. So I know this is different. The structure of this lesson plan is different from what we are using. Pero I believe magagamit natin to as input para makagawa tayo ng ating DLL. Okay, so ayan po, meron na siyang objective. We can modify it. So, yan. So, meron na tayong 4 A's. Meron din siyang motivation. Meron din siyang review motivation. There's an activity. Here you go, the 4 A's, the analysis, the abstraction, the application, and assessment. And of course, the assignment. Okay, you will have as well the answers. Okay, so pag ginamit natin to, we can modify it. So I hope this tool will help us in drafting or designing our daily lesson plan. Thank you.